Your windows play a vital role in maintaining the comfort, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetic of your home. However, over time, even the most well-maintained windows will show signs of wear and tear. Knowing when it's time to replace your windows can save you money on energy bills, improve the curb appeal of your property, and increase the overall value of your home. If you're a homeowner in Gaithersburg, Maryland, here are key signs to look out for that indicate you may need new windows. Rising energy bills. One of the first and most noticeable signs that your windows need to be replaced is an increase in your energy bills. Windows that are old or damaged can allow drafts and air leaks into your home. In the winter, cold air can seep in, making your heating system work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. In the summer, warm air enters your home, forcing your air conditioning unit to work overtime. If you notice that your energy bills have been steadily rising despite maintaining your thermostat settings, it may be time to consider replacing your windows. Drafts and cold spots. Drafty windows are a common sign that the seals or weather stripping around the window have failed. When seals break down or the window frame deteriorates, outside air can enter your home. In winter, you might feel a chill near your windows, and in summer, they might become unbearably warm. If you're experiencing cold spots near your windows or drafty areas in your home, it's an indication that your current windows are no longer providing the insulation they once did. Replacing them with energy-efficient options can help eliminate these uncomfortable drafts and regulate indoor temperatures. Condensation between panes. If you notice condensation or fog forming between the panes of your double or triple-paned windows, it means the seal has failed. This is not only unsightly but also indicates a loss of energy efficiency. Moisture between the panes can reduce the window's ability to insulate your home, causing temperature fluctuations inside. In addition, trapped moisture can lead to mold growth, further damaging the window. Replacing these windows will restore the energy efficiency of your home and improve visibility and aesthetics. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that are difficult to open or close are more than just a nuisance. They can be a safety hazard. In the event of an emergency, you may not be able to escape or ventilate your home properly if the windows don't function smoothly. Over time, window frames can warp due to exposure to the elements, causing them to become stuck or misaligned. If you struggle to open or close your windows, it's a clear sign that they need to be replaced. Additionally, windows that don't open fully or stay open can affect the overall safety and ventilation of your home. Visible damage or rot. Visible damage is another telltale sign that it's time to replace your windows. Whether it's cracked glass, chipped frames, or rotting wooden sills, damage can compromise your window's structural integrity and energy efficiency. Wooden windows, in particular, are prone to rot when exposed to moisture for long periods. If you notice mold, rot, or significant cracks in your window frames, it's time to consider a replacement. Not only can this damage affect the look of your home, but it can also expose your home to the elements, leading to further issues. Noise pollution happen if you've noticed that the outside noise, such as traffic, neighbors, or lawnmowers, is louder inside your home. It could mean your windows are no longer insulating your home from external noise. Older windows, especially those with single panes, are less effective at soundproofing. If you live in a busy area of Gaithersburg, where noise can be a problem, installing modern, double or triple pane windows can help block out unwanted sounds and create a quieter, more peaceful environment inside your home. Outdated appearance windows are a key part of your home's curb appeal. If your windows are outdated, cracked, or have yellowed with age, they can detract from the overall appearance of your property. New windows come in a variety of styles, colors, and materials that can complement your home's design and enhance its overall value. Replacing old windows can provide an instant upgrade to the look of your home, making it more attractive and increasing its resale value. High maintenance. Older windows, particularly wood-framed ones, require frequent maintenance, such as scraping, sanding, painting, and caulking. If you're constantly dealing with the upkeep of your windows, it may be time to invest in newer, low-maintenance alternatives. Vinyl and fiberglass windows, for example, require minimal maintenance and are built to last longer without the need for frequent repairs or repainting. When to replace windows in Gaithersburg? The climate in Gaithersburg, cold winters and hot, humid summers, can be tough on windows. If your home is older, built before the 1990s, and has never had its windows replaced, it's especially important to consider an upgrade to improve energy efficiency and comfort. Replacing your windows can also increase the resale value of your property, making it a wise investment for homeowners looking to sell in the future. In conclusion, replacing your windows may seem like a big decision, but it's one that can significantly impact your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. If you notice any of the signs above, it's a good idea to reach out to a local window replacement expert in Gaithersburg to discuss your options. With new windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable and energy-efficient home while boosting your property's value.